Here's a quick overview of how to use Mail. You'll see a list of your emails on the left. When you select an email, the email preview displays on the right. You can reply to or forward the email by clicking here or here. And if you click here, you'll find many additional options like archive and print. Your email folders are on the left. To organize your emails, you can add folders. To add a new email folder, just click here and select Add New Folder. Type a name for your folder and click Add. Your new folder will appear below. If you'd like to change the way you view your emails, click on View and select a different layout. You can change your folder view in the View menu too. Click the double arrow icon to turn it off or on. To write a new email, click Compose. Type in an email address or click To select someone from your contacts. You can copy or blind copy by clicking here and here. Then type your email in the box. You can add attachments in two ways. Click here to search for a file or simply drag and drop one into the body of your email. When you're all done, just click the Send button in the bottom left-hand corner.